Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 5 Facts. Are you ready to supercharge your diet with nutrient-packed foods? Today, we're exploring the top 5 superfoods you can easily add to your meals for a boost in energy, health, and overall well-being. Let's dive in. First up is kale. This leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins A, K, and C. Known for its high antioxidant content, kale helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress. You can add kale to smoothies, toss it in salads, or sauté it as a side dish. Incorporating kale into your diet can promote heart health and support your immune system. Next on our list is quinoa. Often hailed as a super grain, quinoa is gluten-free and rich in protein, making it perfect for vegetarians and vegans. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, fiber, and magnesium. Quinoa is incredibly versatile. Use it as a base for salads, bowls, or even breakfast porridge. Coming in at number 3, blueberries. These small berries are bursting with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which are linked to brain health and improved memory. Blueberries are also low in calories and high in vitamin C and fiber. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or enjoy them as a healthy snack. Fourth on the list, avocado. This creamy fruit is loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that are great for heart health. Avocados also contain potassium, fiber, and vitamin C, E, and K. They can help lower cholesterol levels and keep you feeling full. Use avocado on toast, in salads, or as a delicious addition to smoothies. Last but not least, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds are nutrient powerhouses offering omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They can absorb water and expand in your stomach, helping you feel fuller for longer. Add chia seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, or make chia seed pudding for a nutritious breakfast or snack. And there you have it, our top 5 superfoods to add to your diet. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods can help boost your energy levels and promote overall health. Remember, a balanced diet is key to feeling your best, and that's a fact. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.